Okay, here's our tree. Added some lights that has some little bit of gold bling on it. And here's how we decorate it. See? Here's how we decorate it. Okay, since this is only a 4-foot tree, I only added 6 picks at the top. I added 2 of these and then 3 of the white pearls. But if you have a taller tree, you can add as many as 25 picks at the top, but my tree is tiny, so I just added 6. Okay, next I added florals. I added 6 white roses. You could add poinsettias, you could add magnolias, you could add any kind of florals that's your favorite in any color. And I added it just to fill in and make my tree so it doesn't look so sparse. As you can see through this tree easily. And I also added 3 large ornaments. This is to help so it doesn't look so much like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. And you can add even more if your tree is really sparse, which mine is. I could probably add more, but I'm not. That's the next step. Next, I added our beautiful tree topper, and then I'm going to add this ribbon, which I'll just take every 12 inches and gather it and put it into the tree. Here's what our tree looks like after we gathered the ribbon every 12 inches around our tree. And then I left a little tail at the bottom. Next, I have these in bundles of 3. I'm gonna put those on our tree. It's nice to layer your ornaments in bundles. Here's the tree all done with the tree topper and the many, many layers of ornaments. In all different colors of blue and gold and a touch of white snowflakes and white roses. Yes, there's roses in there. They're just peeking through. And there's one. But I think the tree's the prettiest when it has multiple layers. And it does have a little bit of sprigs up to the top too. Seems like as I decorated those pulled down a little bit, so I may have to pull those back up. But that's our tree.